everybody, welcome to Julie's anniversary. Hi Robin, hi Julie, hi Riona, hi Joel. I love you all. First I used to hate you all, but I love you a lot now.
Hello everyone, good afternoon. Welcome to this beautiful moment where my brother Robin and Julie are celebrating their 25 years of anniversary. I wish them all the best. God bless them.
Julie, on this day, we would like to say a few words. I don't know, but I've always seen you as my inspiration. You are always there, like always. You have a solution for all the problems. You are always encouraging to do something good, be family or anything in life, situations in life. You have been always my motivation, and I have always been inspired by you. Have a wonderful and a blessed anniversary, and love to see you both together.
Good afternoon, everyone. I, Zelia Athaid, elder sister of Julie, on behalf of our anniversary, I wish Robin and Julie a very happy anniversary, and may God bless you and keep many more years together to celebrate your golden jubilee also.
Hi, I'm Alicia. I'm Julie's niece. I want to wish her a very, very happy anniversary. Lots of love, lots of wishes. I hope so she remains jolly as the way she is.
आज का दिन है खास, दिल में खुशी का एहसास, 20 सालों का सफर, प्यार का खूबसूरत राज। रॉबिन जूली नाम है दो पर कहानी एक, आज मनाए मिलके ये यादों का फेस्टिवल एक। रॉबिन जूली प्यार की ये कहानी सुपर हिट मूवी। रॉबिन जूली 20 साल भी लगे जैसे एक ही सरनी। जब पहली बार मिले थे सपने नए सजाए थे, हाथों में हाथ लेकर हर मुश्किल को हराए थे। हंसी हो या हो आंसू साथ कभी न छोड़ा, जूली के लिए रॉबिन और रॉबिन के लिए जूली ही था सहारा। साल बदलते गए पर दिल वही जवान, हर पल में बसा है एक दूसरे का नाम। रॉबिन जूली डांस फ्लोर पे आज सब बोले लवली जोड़ी। रॉबिन जूली गोल्डन जुबली वाइब्स फुल ऑन पार्टी। बच्चों की हंसी में घर की रोशनी है, यादों के एल्बम में हर पल जिंदगी है। लड़ाई भी हुई कभी पर प्यार जीत गया, हर रात के बाद नया सवेरा मिल गया। ये रिश्ता सिर्फ शादी नहीं एक विश्वास है, 20 सालों का ये प्यार सबके लिए मिसाल है। आज के दिन ये दुआ रब से हम मांगे, अगला जन्म भी हो साथ यही रिश्ता मांगे। रॉबिन जूली आज का दिन बस इनके नाम लिखी। रॉबिन जूली फॉरएवर वाला लव स्टोरी, एपिक स्टोरी। साल बीत गए पर कहानी अभी बाकी है। रॉबिन जूली का प्यार हमेशा रहेगा बाकी है। बाकी है।
Heart to heart
together forever with love. Happy anniversary. Happy anniversary. Happy anniversary. Happy anniversary. Heart to heart, together forever with love. Happy anniversary. Happy anniversary. Happy anniversary. Happy anniversaries. Happy anniversary. Happy anniversary. Happy anniversary. Happy
But we would like to say a small prayer for the couple and also the grace before we open the bar. So we don't want to say the grace and then open the, and before opening the bar. So Mr. Sanjay would like to take us into prayer.
And this prayer is very much important for this family today. So let's concentrate for 5 minutes and let's pray for this family. प्रभूचा गौरव असो आता आणि सदा सर्वदा. हे प्रभू परमेश्वरा, तू युगान युगाचा राजा आहे. स्वर्गातून उतरलेली जिवंत भाकर आहे आणि उत्तम असा मेंढपाळ आहे. आम्ही तुझ्या चरणाशी नतमस्तक होतो आणि तुला शरण येतो, कारण तू आम्हावर प्रेम करणारा परमेश्वर आहेस. आमचा रक्षण करणारा परमेश्वर आहेस. तू आम्हा प्रत्येकाला निवडलेला आहे. एप्रिल 2001 साली रॉबिन आणि जुली हे विवाह बंधनामध्ये एकत्र आले. प्रभू ख्रिस्ताच्या त्या पवित्र वेदीवर त्यांनी एकमेकांना वचनं दिली. ते एक देह झाले. एकमेकावर त्यांनी प्रेम केले. एकमेकांना त्यांनी साथ दिली आणि प्रभूच्या स्पर्शाने आज वैवाहिक जीवनाची 25 वर्ष त्यांनी यशस्वीरित्या पूर्ण केलेले आहेत. म्हणून आपण प्रार्थना करूया. नमो हे कृपापूर्ण मरिये, प्रभू तुझ्या ठाई आहे. धन्य तू स्त्रियांमध्ये आणि धन्य तुझ्या उदराचं फळ येशू. हे पवित्र मरिया, देवाची माते, आम्हा पाप्यांसाठी आता आणि आमच्या मरणाशेवटी विनंती कर. आमेन.
So today is not a celebration of just 25 years of marriage. It's a celebration of everything you have given us and the kind of love you have shown us every single day. Happy Silver Jubilee, Mama and Dada. Thank you for everything. Joel and I love you more than words can ever express.
I guess all can hear me. So I'm Joel. As many of you all know me, or some may have seen me today first time. And I am very grateful for two things in my life that I have been saying always. One is that I have my parents with me, and secondly that I have Jesus in my life. And thanks to all of you who are present who are here today to make this day special. We all are very grateful for each one of us. And thank you, and I love you, Dada.
We saying lies. Yes, it was a lie. It was a joke. They also told me to joke, so I had no option. Anyway, I will. You have got a brief about the family from Riona, from Joel, from Sanjay. But I'm holding the mic. I'm in charge. I've got a better brief, so this is going to be my speech now. And please listen to it carefully. So this is a love story of our couple. written from heaven. It is not started 25 years ago. This is how it starts. So 35 years ago, in 1991, okay, 35 years ago, in 1991, two young souls crossed paths at MVLU College, Andheri. College ka pyar hai bhai. Robin and Julie were not just classmates, they were chosen by God to walk life's journey together. What began as a simple friendship soon blossomed into a love so deep, so pure, that distance and time could never weaken it. Robin travelled far to Dubai and Oman, chasing dreams and building a future. Julie remained here, holding on to faith and love. Though oceans separated them, their hearts beat as one. After 10 years of waiting, longing, and unwavering devotion, they finally united in marriage on the 21st of April 2001. That is 10 years after they first met. You're not keeping stock of the date that I'm giving you all? No. After 10 years of love, they got married. That's great. And today, as we gather to celebrate their silver jubilee, we honor not just 25 years of marriage, but 35 years of an unbroken love story. A love that has endured trials, distance, and time, and has only grown stronger with each passing day. Robin and Julie's journey reminds us all that true love is patient, true love is kind, and true love never fails. Thalia. Nobody listening. All are busy eating. Okay, I now invite Clara.
Good afternoon to all of you. Already nice speeches are already said for Julie and Robin. We have some few lines, some shairis and poems on her. 25 years hand in hand, building dreams just as you planned. To every smile, to every tear, your love has grown stronger year by year. Moments shared, both big and small. Together you have faced them all. With hearts so true and spirits bright, you turned each day into pure delight. A silver journey shining bright, filled with warmth and guiding light. May love keep blooming as you grow, with endless joy and hearts as glow. Happy wedding anniversary to both of you. There is more to come. 25 साल का साथ, प्यार, विश्वास और मुस्कान, आप दोनों को हो एक दूसरे की पहचान। जूली और रॉबिन का प्यार है कमाल, 25 साल का सफर। जूली और रॉबिन का प्यार है कमाल, 25 सालों का सफर एक खूबसूरत मिसाल। कभी हंसी, कभी थोड़ी सी नोक-झोंक रही, पर हर पल साथ रहने की कसम निभाई सही। रब से दुआ है यही हर बार, बना रहे आप दोनों का यही प्यार। आने वाले सालों में खुशियाँ ही खुशियाँ हो और साथ रहे हमेशा ये प्यारा सा संसार। Robbie is not here, but his wishes are for me and Robbie. Myself and Robbie wish Riona, our godchild, who has completed successfully her BDS, a bright future ahead, and also best wishes to Joel, who is pursuing his MBBS. All the very best from Mama and all of us present here. We all are proud to have two doctors in our family, and it is all because of you two, Julie and Robin.
Hello. So I am Audrey Fernandez, Julie's older sister. One thing I would like to say is that today we have assembled here to celebrate two milestones in their life. One is the personal 25 years of marriage, and this is a couple I have always admired. I mean, Julie worked for an MNC before marriage. She gave up her flourishing career, joined Robin in Muscat, and thereafter devoted herself to raise two beautiful Two beautiful, talented, and immensely intelligent children, Riona and Joel. They both are fabulous dancers, good cooks and organizers. And Robin, on the other hand, is a devoted, hard-working father. And I admire the way he's always been there to guide, motivate, and lead by example for his kids. And I admire your marriage and how you both support each other and everything. And I wish you all the best and many more. And also look forward to your 75th anniversary. And I congratulate many more success. Yeah, and I can't tell you how, Mama. You're a proud Nani. This is the first grandchild, the first doctors from our family. And now let's see many more to come, the great grandchildren. So congrats, Mama also, that we have two doctors in our family now. Thank you, everybody.
Riona, Dr. Riona now. Henceforth, you will be calling her doctor. We required to say something about her too, right? So I've got a small speech for celebrating Dr. Riona's. So since her school days, Riona has been guided by her parents, values of simplicity, focus and dedication. Quiet yet determined, she always knew what she wanted and worked tirelessly to achieve it. Her brilliance shone early when she scored an outstanding 96% in her 10th grade. You can clap here if you want. Other you all will say he's not allowing us to move, talk, nothing. Clap now, okay? So standing first in her school, but beyond marks, she carried one dream in her heart, to become a doctor. Very noble profession. She's envisioned herself as Dr. Riona Brito, and today that vision has become a reality. At just 17, with courage and faith, she moved from Mumbai to Uttar Pradesh, leaving behind the comfort of home to pursue sacrifices and moments of doubts. But she never gave up. With her parents' guidance, her own resilience, and the love and support of family and friends, she has emerged victorious. Today, after 5 years of relentless hard work, she stands before us as a dentist. This degree is not just a certificate, it is the embodiment of her belief, courage and dedication. So let us all come together to honor and celebrate Dr. Riona Brito, whose journey inspires us all. Hip hip! Hip hip! Hip hip! Doctor kude hai? Ikde hai. I'm searching where doctor is. Thank you, doctor. We are very proud of. So now we got a dentist in the family. That does not mean she's not going to charge you, right? Okay. Now we have Reem, who on behalf of all the cousins would like to say a few things about her cousin.
Riona. Right from childhood, my cousin sister Riona had just one big dream, and that was to become a doctor. And whenever I think of her, all I remember is the sacrifice, efforts, dedication and determination she has shown towards her studies and career. I would like to share a few incidents. When Rio was small, I remember seeing a paper put up at her study table that said, "I want to become a doctor." When I asked her about it, she said, "My dada told me, write whatever you want to be and read it every day and you will surely achieve it." And today my little sister has truly proved that. We cousins would always enjoy at our granny's place, but Rio would often leave early. When I asked her to stay a little longer, she would say, "Dada said celebrations and gatherings will happen every year, but exams will not." And today, Rio is the first among all of us cousins to become a dentist. Our Borivali Mama would always be so proud of every achievement of yours, Rio. She would say, "Our Riona has grown to be so beautiful. Don't you think she should also participate in a beauty pageant?" I also remember how Ria Tai would lovingly comfort Rio when she cried as a child, saying what happened to my cookie, don't cry cookie. And today watching you grow from that little girl into a successful doctor is truly overwhelming. And how can we forget Rio's mama? As a child, Rio wouldn't spend a single moment without her mama. But for her dreams, she sacrificed that too. She stayed away from her and learned to do it all by herself. And Chulu Maushi, you have supported her journey, and she is truly a reflection of you. And we all are so proud of you, Rio. And now we can say with pride, Dr. Riona Brito. Congratulations and keep moving ahead. Thank
you. Doctor who's doing MBBS now, Dr. Joel. I'm calling him doctor because I know he'll become a doctor. He's already doing his MBBS. And we've spoken about his parents, we've spoken about his sister, and he's feeling left alone. Baba, please come ahead. We will say some good things about you also because you deserve it, right? And right now, I'm searching a page of quite focus and consistent effort. Guided by his parents' wisdom, he learned that true success comes not from noise, but from dedication. Never the loudest voice in the room. You can see for yourself, you're sitting quietly there. Joel has always let his actions and perseverance speak for him, with a clear vision of becoming a doctor with his parents. Encouragement to pursue excellence. Joel chose the path of medicine and is now pursuing his MBBS. Alongside his academic journey, he nurtures his love for music and strategy. You got a dangerous guy here, man. Playing the piano, guitar, and sharpening his mind with chess. Now I know why you're quiet. These passions reflect both his creativity and his sharp intellect. Qualities his parents have always supported and nurtured. Living away from home has been a defining part of his journey, teaching him independence, resilience and strength. Yet, the values instilled by his parents have remained his anchor, helping him face challenges with courage and steadiness. Today, Joel continues to move forward with purpose, shaping himself into not only a doctor, but also a well-rounded individual. His journey is a testament to his determination and to the unwavering guidance and love of his parents, who have stood behind him at every step of the way. I think this requires a huge amount of applause for our future Dr. Joel. I'll give the mic to Joel because Joel is going to personally sing this song for the first dance, silver dance of his parents. I'm so proud to do that.
So promise that you'll love me when I'm old.
Wow. I don't see anybody applauding, yeah. What is wrong, man? This requires a Grammy Award, man.
And darling, say you love me when I'm old. It gives the lips and curls the golden hair. The maiden gold is shining red in She said, my love, you won my heart and soul. So promise that you'll love me when I'm old.
Okay, so guys, I will be tossing this coin. And all of you all have to do a single action. Heads and
This is head and this is tail.
I'm just seeing if they understand. Head and tail only is there on the coin. What else is there? So how will you show the tail? Exactly. Okay? So you're feeling better now, Baba? He was telling me my leg is paining. So I told him you love games where no legs pain, no problem. So can I toss the coin, please? Huh? It must be trial round, no? I just want to show them that this is not that Diwar ka coin, dono side hit, and you just Baba, you can see, no? 1, 2, and here we go. Okay, everybody took, yeah. What? Head or tail? Tail. Okay, you have seen everybody? And the cameraman has captured all of them, head or tail, right?
Yeah.
Madam, you're tying your... No, ऐसा नहीं चलेगा. Then she said, ऊपर नीचे दोनों तरफ होगा, ऐसा नहीं चलेगा. एक तो the spot, the gift prices are very expensive. 1, 2, and here we go. What is it? You read head that time? I mean, this has to be tail now. And if you are angry that you all got out and things like, don't hit me, it's not my game, it's Julie's game. And she's the, the host actually. I'm just doing it on her behalf, right? So, please take your position 1, 2, and 3. I know. You're playing. Acha. You're up. Very good. Tail. You're up. ये बाल बना रहे हैं। आपको ना 2 मिनट बाल नहीं बना सकते हैं। Okay, done? Can I flip the coin now? 1, 2, and got नीचे. The tails are out against us. This looks like a Diwar ka coin. I think tails both the sides. Right? Flip the coin. These heads. Heads. How many are gone? Now, if you all can be on one side. Who all are there? You are not going to play in center like this, Benny. Then such a good player, young man. One of the best players I've seen. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Take position, head or tails. Take a tail. You tail. Okay, ready? Okay, wait now. Now he's the only one who's left. Now we have to last. Okay, head or tail. Somebody over one. So I will play. Baba, coin. What's your name, Baba? Okay, Joyston gets the. Can we have the first prize for the game, please? And the photographer, or he's there around. He's like God, he's there all around.
Once the music is stopped, just throw your sheet and stand. Stand on anybody's paper. Wherever you see the paper, you go and stand. Okay? And those who don't have, they are out. So come here, everyone come in the center. Yes. Please come in the center.
Okay, guys, can we start? I want to see everybody with that piece of newspaper over your head. Over there, I'm quite short, so if there are tall people, I can't see. Hello, madam, put the newspaper over your head. Yeah, I want to see it on top. Everybody. Yeah, please. Yes, exactly. If somebody wants to throw a 100 rupee note and stand on that, no problem. Go around. If you want a lunch, want to be hungry, please go around. That's it. And okay, now you saw how much cheating goes on? Above your head, everyone. Like this. Yes. Yes, throw it from the top. Yes, that's it. Sharing and caring at home, not here.
Julian Robin
Right on top. Like this, like this. Yeah. Come on. Ready up the paper. That's it. Come on, DJ. Whoa. Come on, go on. Good Harvey! Good Harvey! Good. Baba, किसी को पेपर चाहिए बाद में देगा. Don't bother each other for the paper. Paper will get more.
Superpowers, who got red, I'm a motherfucking millionaire. Bikini made, fat cigars, pull up like a shade. Chauffeur cars, little soups, like Hande Pe. I'm a motherfucking millionaire.
Good Harvey! Okay, now all those who don't have the paper, I want 6 people to put their hands up. Stop, throw the paper far away. Throw the paper far away. Throw the paper far away. Don't open your eyes, did I tell you? Don't open your eyes. Don't open your eyes. No, ये cheater number. Wide open. What is cheat छोड़ दे दो. Shakira.
Dear all, as you can see today I am celebrating 25 years of marriage anniversary. Very happy to have all of you out here and come and participate in our program here. All the best to all of you. Thank you.
Hello everyone. Thank you for coming and gracing this occasion. Your presence has made a big impact for me and for my families. We thought it would be only us, but then we thought it was our family who have to be together, the moments we have shared, and at times we all have been as a pillar to us. Thank you very much.